Welcome back to Technologia 2050. NASA has revealed a dramatic possibility. If an asteroid big enough to threaten the moon were detected, they might actually prepare a nuclear strike to stop it. Sounds like science fiction, but it's real science. Let's explore how and why NASA could use nuclear weapons in space, and what it means for Earth, the moon, and the future of planetary defense. The asteroid threat. Every year, thousands of asteroids pass close to Earth. Most are harmless, but a large one could cause catastrophic damage, not just to Earth, but even to the moon, which stabilizes our planet's climate. Why the moon matters. The moon isn't just a rock in the sky. It controls tides, stabilizes Earth's tilt, and even influences our climate. A massive asteroid impact on the moon could cause global ripple effects. NASA's Planetary Defense Office. NASA already has a division called the Planetary Defense Coordination Office, tasked with detecting, tracking, and, if needed, preventing dangerous space objects from colliding with Earth. Nuclear option on the table. If a giant asteroid is too big to push away with rockets or gravity tractors, NASA may resort to nuclear explosions, either to break it apart or to nudge it off course. Lessons from DART mission. In 2022, NASA tested a method by smashing the DART spacecraft into an asteroid, successfully altering its path. But while DART works on smaller rocks, a truly massive asteroid might require something far more powerful. How a nuclear strike would work. NASA wouldn't aim to blow the asteroid to pieces, that could create multiple fragments still on a collision course. Instead, the nuclear device would likely detonate near the surface, using heat and force to nudge it off its path. International cooperation. A nuclear strike in space wouldn't be a decision NASA makes alone. The United Nations and global powers would likely need to coordinate, since treaties currently restrict nuclear weapons in orbit. Risks of a failed strike. What if the nuclear attempt backfires? Breaking an asteroid into many smaller pieces could make the threat worse. That's why scientists stress careful planning, simulations, and backup strategies. Protecting Earth and the moon. The goal isn't just to save the moon for beauty's sake. Without it, Earth's rotation and seasons could become unstable. Protecting the moon means protecting the balance of life on Earth. The future of planetary defense. NASA is investing in early warning systems, asteroid trackers, and deflection tech. By the 2030s, planetary defense may include fleets of interceptors, ready to act if a cosmic rock threatens our planet or its satellite. So, NASA may actually prepare a nuclear strike in space to protect the moon, and by extension, Earth, from a devastating asteroid collision. But here's the question. Do you think using nuclear weapons in space is the right answer, or should humanity focus on cleaner solutions like lasers, gravity tractors, or massive spacecraft impacts? Tell us what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more journeys into the future of science and space, right here on Technologia 2050.